6.2 Could there be other ways to bring a change? We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed in the wooden handle? So children, here you will see that this is a wooden handle. Yeah, everywhere we have wooden handle. Here we have wooden handle, and this wooden handle, on around it there is an iron bar. Can you see this iron? So this is an iron, here also iron, which is fixed in the wooden thing, isn't it? So how does it happen? How the iron blade in these tools, this blade is fixed to the wooden handle, and how it is very tight, otherwise it is possible that it might get removed, it might get separated from the wood. The iron blade of these tool has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Okay, normally the ring is slightly smaller than the size of the wooden handle, smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. Children, this is very important. Please underline how it is tightly fixed, how the wood is tightly fixed. Okay, so what do? So normally this is the question, give reason why the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. So the ring, here also you can see the ring. So why the rings are smaller? So why the ring is smaller? So this ring is always smaller than this width, this circumference, of the this handle. So why this is smaller? This has to be smaller than this. Okay. Now then if it is smaller, then how does this goes inside this ring? How? So what we have to do is, so before we fix, what do we do? To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. Okay, so when you, before fixing, what happened, the ring is heated, we heat this area, and what happened, the size of the ring, the size of the hole here, it becomes little larger. Okay, it becomes big, and that is why it goes inside. So when you heat, what happened, the metal expands here. So you can see, when you heat it, it becomes slightly large in size, means it expands. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When it expands, when it becomes big, when you heat it, the wooden plank, this wooden handle, easily it goes inside it because it is hot. So it is big, size is big, it expands. And when the ring cools down, it contracts. So as soon as the ring cools down, size becomes smaller, it comes to its original position. Initially it was smaller than this, no? And hence it fits tightly onto the handle. And this is very, very, very important, children. So you have to learn this, you have to remember this. Okay? So such a change is also used for fixing a metal rim on the wooden wheel of a cart as shown in the figure 6.7. Here you can see this is a wooden wheel and this is the iron rim, and this iron rim fixes here. Okay, around this wheel it fixes here. So here also what do? They take the smaller rim, smaller in size. Okay, and then they heat it and it gets fixed. When it contracts, it gets fixed. Okay, so let's move what it says. Such a change is also used for fixing a metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart as shown in figure 6.7.